Life happens. Any home can go from just right to needing unexpected repairs or even a living space upgrade. Pipes burst, ceilings leak, AC breaks just in time for summer, or you're way past ready for that dream renovation. Good thing you can fix it now using the Synchrony Project Card. You can use the Synchrony Project Card with multiple home improvement contractors and pay over time. It's easy to get started. Visit the business locator at syfpros.com. Choose a local contractor or service professional from more than 40,000 Synchrony contractors. Finance your project with the Synchrony Project Card. Upgrade HVAC. Update windows and doors. Create an outdoor oasis. Spruce up your bath and kitchen. The Synchrony Project Card helps make it easy to renovate and repair. Use it again and again whenever you need it, with different local contractors. When life happens at your house, use the Synchrony Project Card to fix it. Visit syfpros.com to find a local contractor today.